Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can fix OBS not recording your game. So first, what you want to do is you need to go to the search bar and look for OBS. You need to go for the open file location. Once you're here, you want to right click this again and you're going to go to open file location again. Alright, now you're here. You need to right click on this, go to properties, it's over here, and then you need to go to compatibility. You need to check this box right here, which is run this program as an administrator. Click apply and OK. Now you need to close this and head to OBS and add sources. What you want to do is you just need to click on this plus icon right here, go to game capture, click OK, and in this mode you pick capture specific window. Let's say you have your game right here. For example, I'm just going to choose randomly, but you can just choose your game if you opened it, and you can just click OK. Now what you want to do is you right click your game capture and you click to transform and you click this one, which is stretch to screen. Alright, now after all that, it should work and your OBS should be recording your game. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.